Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is HIsyam Aqmal. I am from Politeknik at the civil engineering class and I'm from 1 M.S.C class. Today I'm gonna make a video about how to draw a simple floor plan. And this video is to accomplishing my assignment from my lecturer. She is Ma'am Anisah Fajarwati, and not wasting too much time, let's go to the AutoCAD and I will show you how to draw the floor plan. Preparing some of the material for us to draw the uh, floor plan. First, there is a table containing like the layers in here to make us easier when we are drawing the floor plan. In here, I've been prepared some of layers, like in here, like the axis for the thickness and the line type for also the description. I'm here also have been preparing the title block, but it's not a complete, not completed yet. I will complete it when I've done with the drawing, and I'm gonna complete it in the off cam. And then there is an example that given to me to draw today. It is the floor plan, house type F, with the scale is 1.50, and there is also some furniture we are going to use in this floor plan. So next, let's start it with the drawing. Firstly, we are going to make the axis first. We can have to see at the example. It was 700 times 600 for the drawing, and for the first we're gonna make for the line axis, the axis line for the middle. So we're gonna make it like using rectangle. We also could use an polyline, but I will be prefer choosing to use rectangle. So from here we could see that there is a rectangle 350 times 200. We can start make it the rectangle. Maybe we could start in here, specify the first point, 350 times, because we are going to down, it must be negative, so it must be in negative 200. This one. Okay, from here, 350 and 200, and there is also 150 and times 200. We make another rectangle in here, 200 times minus, oh, I'm sorry, it must be on, wait, let me check again, 150 times 200. From here, 150 times minus 200 because it was going to the down there. And then next to the next rectangle for the toilet, it was 200 times 200. Let's make another rectangle. It was 200 times 200. Oh, I'm sorry. It must be negative. Okay, so guys, don't forget to use the negative for the direction of the rectangle. If you are using a 200 positive, it will be going up there. Then next to the next room is for the living room. In here, there is an 300, okay, 400 times by 400 in here. Let me check first. Yeah, it was 400. From here, 400 times minus 400. Okay. Next, we're gonna make this bedroom. It was 300 times 400 rectangle. Using the rectangle, it was 300 times negative 400. Okay, so we've got the access for the floor plan. Now we're gonna move to the next steps for drawing with the inside outside wall. So now we're drawing the outside wall. For the outside wall, to make it faster and easier, we could just use multi-line, and then we could setting it with the justification. Use the 0 because in here we are using an axis for the middle line. So after that, we could scale it into 15. Now we could make the axis in the house. Next to the next scale. And we make it again Don't forget justification 0, and the scale is maybe 15. That's it. Make it again. Others. Then the last one is in the, okay. For the inside outside wall, it's been done. Now the inside wall, we could use the next layer. There is inside wall. Okay, we use multi-line again. In here we are just using the same justification, but in a different scale. In here we are using the scale 12 for the inside wall. Okay, in here you just have to put it around of your wall. Okay, one more time. Make again. Okay, don't forget to check if there is any wall that is not layered. Okay, it's been all. Next, we are gonna make the column. In here, I will give you a small tips. We could just use the rectangle from here. It was from the outside wall into the inside wall. Like this. And then to make it faster, you could just copy it and take the middle point of this rectangle. Then you put it at every place that you have to give a column. Here, here, and also in here. Okay, it's done. After this, because it looked like a bit messy, we could trim all of these things inside of the column. Trim off this one. Let's export this one. Okay. Okay, so if there is like an this one, it's like merge. You can explode it. So you could trim just the part in here. Okay, down in here. We're moving to the next beam. Another beam in here. Okay, next one here. Next in here also. Okay, we have to explode it first. then trim, and then also trim it. Oops, explode it, and trim also, trim in here. And moving the next game. Huh? Okay, so now I've been trimming all of the light inside the column, and then for the next step, after making the column, we could make the door and the window. We could put the door and the window there. Like I've been prepared some of the door and the window. You could see in here there is a door in here, so we have to put there is a door in here, so we could put a single door in here. Copy it, put it in here. For the road, we could rotate it. I'm sorry. Move it. Ah, so it would be in here like that. Okay, same in here. The first door, and then there is also a door in here. Take another door. Like this. Move it. Where is it? Let me check it first. In the toilet. Okay. So it must be in here. Uh-huh. The next door. The same in here. So we could just copy it and put it in here. Uh-huh. Next. There's also a door in here. Okay, we could mirror this. So the direction of the door would be same like for the example. Take it, check again in here. Oh, for this one, we could use this single and double window in here because it was same to make us easier. There, so let's take this one and move it. Oh, copy, put it in here. For the distance, how much it must be around 10. Okay, so that's done for the single door and double window. Next, we move out to the window. There is a difference between the window for the normal window and for the toilet window. So this one is for the toilet window, and this one is for the ordinary window. Let's take the ordinary window first. There is a window in here, middle of here. in the middle. Okay, let's take the middle point of the window so we could put that precisely. Then there is a single window again. Okay, plus double window. Okay, then down to the toilet. Complete and rotate it. Uh-huh. Complete. Put it at the toilet. Toilet in here. Okay. Now the double window. There is a double window in the kitchen and the bedroom. So we could use this window. Take the middle point. Now, don't forget to check the direction of the window. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What is it? Wait, I'm sorry. Around in here. Okay. Where is my? It's around here. Okay. A bit more. Okay. So next window in the bedroom. And put it in the bedroom. In the middle of here. Next, let's check again if there is any door and window. Okay, it's done in here, done. It's also okay. Because we have done the door and the window, we could move out to the next step to put the furniture. And here there is a furniture of bed for the bedroom here. And don't forget to put this kind of furniture in the furniture in the furniture layer. In here, furniture layer. So we could take it, mirror in here. Oh, next, move it in here. Okay. Then let's move on to the toilet first. We could put this toilet, copy, put it, and move it. A little bit in here, maybe around 25. Yes, in there. Next, there is a pan in here. Put it in the robot. And copy it. Put it around in here. Okay, it's too big. Let's rescale it. Okay, because there is a wall in here, so you could to make you not confused, we could trim in here with this wall. Uh-huh. Let's explode it first and trim it. Okay, still connected in there. Like this. Next, there's also no wall in here, but there is a wall near a bit. So let's assume it, because it was 350 in here, so let's assume it was 300. 300. So let's close it on. Okay. Let's get back to the inside wall here. 9 and 300. Okay, it's too close, so it must be 200. 200. Yes. Forget about the outside wall. Okay. Let's. I forgot about the distance, but let's use the M line. Justification it was 0 and the scale it must be 15. Yes, like this. 200. Close it like that. And then for the inside wall, line justification 0 and the scale is 12. Cylinder equals 200 and then close it. Done. Okay, now we could turn this part away. Now, so you could see in here there's a wall and there is an open room in here. Okay. Oh wait, I missed my inside wall in here. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna prepare it for the online. Let's check it. The justification, okay, it's correct. Uh, Maybe it was a mistake from the trimming because the line is still connected to the others. So when we are trimming it, it trim it also. Next, okay, we're gonna put the plan in there. There's a plan. Okay, copy it and move it in here because it's too big. We could scale it to make it smaller. Maybe around like this. Then for the next furniture in the living room, two sofa. This one. Don't forget to put it in the furniture layer. Alright, because we're gonna need it like this. Move it to here. Okay, we could see the furniture is okay. Next, we put the furniture. Then we could continue to put the. There is a terrace in here. We could make another terrace. Okay, let's try to make the terrace first. In here and also in here. Okay. Let's put it in a floor line layer. Then use the rectangle it's only around 100. And let's check again. It's 100. So 50. Ah, a bit longer, maybe around 20. Too much. Okay, this one. Okay, this is for the ground, the floor line. Make another in here, from here until here. Plus 415. Why negative? 100. Like this. After that, after all of the part is finished, we could move into the next step to make hatching, to give the hatching. Where is my hatching? Okay, for the first, let's start with the wall hatch. Wall hatch. So for the hatching, let's see in here, we're using ANSI 32 for the wall. Let's to make us easy, let's turn off the access line and the sidebar. It's version. Case. Okay, wait. There is a mistake in here for the hatch, because the hatch is connected. Let's explode it first. So, okay. Explode. Okay. Here. That's it. Let okay. Forget it was ANSI 32. Okay. See now. Let's hatch all of the wall. Okay. Here. Then here. In here. Now so in here. Here. Instead, it's still connected. Let's explode it. That's it. Wait, oh, the window. It's not placed on the outside door. I'm sorry, okay, that is the mistake. Next. That's why the hatching is not. It's also wrong. Okay, it is done. Let's do this one. Submit. The example given It's only one line in there. No, this one. This line. Okay, it was inside. It's nice. Okay. Next, we're gonna hatch the. Oh, I think I have a mistake in here. We're hatching it in the inside wall, not the outside wall. Okay, I'm so sorry. Let's restart the hatching. Put it in here. Yeah, the hatching is in the inside wall, not the outside. I'm so sorry, that is my mistake. So I'm gonna prepare it first. Okay. Okay, we're gonna back. I've been remove all the hatching and then change it into the inside wall hatching. So this is for the wall hatch. And don't forget for the toilet, we're not using the ordinary hatch for the wall, but we are using the truss ram because we know toilet is using a truss ram hatching. And now I've been also fix some things in the floor plan in this draw. Like for example, for the line in here, I've trimmed a bit and just repair some of the missing line. Let's go check some of it. Maybe there is another mistake. Okay, it's not missing. Uh-huh. Okay, everything is done. Now we're gonna moving up to the next step where we are going to heads for the floor. And also I'm gonna wait. I think I'm missing something. Yeah, for the line for line is in here. Yep, because the hatching is gonna stop in there. Yep. Firstly, we're gonna hatch for the floor in the kitchen. For the hatching, we are using the wait, this one RR Parky one, and don't forget to change the hatching first for the. Oh, before I think before we are moving to the floor hatching, we're gonna hatch first for the column. Okay, let's hatch first for the column in here. So we're gonna hatch it with the concrete for the column. I think it's a bit okay. So it should be much bigger. Oh, how much it? Let me fix this first. Yep, like this. Okay, this is for the column hatch. We're using the concrete. Okay, sorry. Uh-huh. Okay. Just hatch the all of the column in the map, the draw. Okay. So we're done with the column heads. We're moving out to heads for the wait. Hmm, column heads, four heads, concrete heads. That's for the floor line. Uh-huh. Next, we're hatching the floor line for the kitchen. It's here. Yep. here. Okay, that is for the kitchen. This is, and now we're gonna hatch the toilet using the. Okay, I've been replaced some of the hatching. Correction one. This is for the hatching of the living room floor. This is using ANSI 37. Okay, and then for the toilet, I've changed it for the hatching into angle. This is for the hatching. And now we're moving to hatch the floor of the bedroom. To the bedroom, we're using the hatching of net. Where is net? The hatching of net. Okay, this one. Make it a bit bigger. And okay, we're done with the floor hatching. Then we could hatch for the terrace also. Now for the terrace, same with the toilet, using angle. Uh-huh. 20 is not. So the angle of the hatch is 90. Now in here, it was 0. Okay, we're done with the hatching of the floor. Next, we're moving out to give a notation, which is name of the room and the elevation also. Okay, let's start it with giving a notation. Don't forget to give it at the text in here. Okay, it is was kitchen with the 0.05 elevation. Kitchen kitchen 0.05 elevation. Okay. Text properties. Maybe we want the text is bigger. We could change it to 20. Yes. Okay, that's it for the kitchen. Now we're moving again in here. This is the toilet with an elevation of plus 0.02. 0.02 plus. Okay. Okay. Kitchen 20 page for the toilet. Next, it was a living room. Living room. The elevation is plus 0.05. Plus 0.05.
Forget using this. So change it to 20. Okay, for the living room. Next, for the bedroom. This bedroom elevation is plus 0.05, and then the terrace is plus 0.02. Plus 0.05. Okay, I'm sorry, I haven't changed it into 20. Now for this terrace, plus 0.02. Let's copy it in here. Okay, we're done. Okay, next, after we finish giving the name of the room and area, the last one is we are giving the annotation for the drawing. So for giving the dimension in here, the annotation from the middle of the uh, wait, let's show the axis first. Yeah. Okay, now the notation from the middle of the okay. Oh wait, the axis is missing. Wait. I'm sorry, I think the axis is got trimmed. I'm trying to trim. Yeah. Okay. Now we're giving the notation with the from the middle of the beam. Yes. Coming all along this way. Oh, wait, from here to here. And then you could see in here the number is so small, but we'll skip it first. We're gonna continue it and correct it when we are done to give all of the notation of this drawing. Next, that is for the end to the end. Now the notation from the first beam to the second beam. Okay, maybe we could put this a bit higher. Now the notation from here to here. Uh-huh. Then the notation from there, from here to here. Next one is the notation from here to here. Okay, now that's it. We're moving out to the notation for the this part. Let's start it from the end to the end again. From this end. to this end. Another one from here into here. More rotation from here to this side. Okay, we're moving to this part from here to here. Then from here to this beam, to this column. Another one from here to here. And then next from here to this end. Oh, oh, don't really need this because we will know the total length of this part. So this one is just from this beam into that column to this column, and also from this column into this column. Okay. For the notation, uh, let's change up the notation just using the dimension. This one is also the dimension. And this one, this one also, to make it bigger so we could see the dimension clearly. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're done with the notation also, and the next steps is uh, put this draw into the title block. Okay, let's put this in here. Okay, I very forgot before we are finishing this drawing. So we have to put the annotation for giving the place of the beam. Like the columns and the sectional. For that, uh, we're taking the section layer and just the control tree, so it will give the properties of this. And then we pick the annotation, and then we choose the, maybe we could use this collab bubble for the scale, and then we just click in here. Since it was too small, we could make it bigger by pressing it at the scale. Okay, maybe around 1 or 2. I think it's still too small. Okay, a bit bigger again. Next. Okay, this is for the sectional like this. Maybe we could just put the sectional for this one is around like, wait, we change it as the B. Maybe you could skip in this, and then we change this as the V. Okay. Oh, let's just erase it all, and we make text the outside here and put B in here. Thing to make it bigger. 185, and put it in here. Uh-huh. Now we're gonna need the one that is facing down. Oh, I mean facing up. Wait. Uh, okay, move it first. Rotate it, and we make it face up. Okay, this is for the sectional, and we're gonna move it maybe around in here, in the middle of the building. Maybe around somewhere in here. A bit more up. Okay, and for this one, yes, it was A. Yeah, and rotate it. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, it's enough. So we put it in maybe around here. Yeah, a bit more. Uh-huh. So since it was a sectional, so we need one more this notation straight in this down here, and also for this A straight here. We could connect this thing, this annotation, using line, and also this one to this one. And then there's also use for the tag. Let's use this tag in here. Okay, a bit bigger, I think. Let's scale it again. It's was in there. And also in. So we could scale this up to make it a bit bigger, so we could see it. More. Okay, if it's enough, could change it as A. Okay, and move it into here. Okay, so we could make it shorter, so it would not crash into this notation. Okay, copy it. Uh, Put it in here also. There's also in here. Change up of the letter, so it must be B. Okay, and this one is for the C. Okay, now we also need this thing at the upside here, but we'll take it first. And make it as a number. Okay, we put it in here. This is one, and copy it to the second one in here. Okay, so it was too long. I think it will be shorter. Okay, still too big. Maybe we could just move this one. Right. Like this. Don't forget to connect the line. Then make it shorter also. Move it here. Then copy it more because we still need it in there. Here and also in here. This one must be 2, and this one is 3, and this one is 4. So this means this is for the sectional. We're done for the sectional, and we've been take this drawing inside the cup. I still need to give the logo in here. Wait, I will give it in. Now I'll put the logo also. We put the drawing inside of the cup. So okay, so that's how we're gonna draw the floor plan. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like. You can give comment and give your advice for everything in there. So that's it. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.